The Challenger disaster took place on the morning of January 28, 1986, on Pad 39B at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The night before the launch, there was a forecast that the temperature would drop to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which caused some concerns about the O-rings being able to seal. This concern caused a three-way teleconference to take place, with the VP of Engineering saying that the launch should not take place when the temperature is under 53 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the VP of the Space Booster programs decided that they would still launch anyways.
The cause of the disaster was traced to a small rubber part called an O-ring, which formed the seal between sections of the solid rocket boosters. This seal abrasion caused the hydrogen gas to seep out and ignite the rocket boosters. It was one of many potential catastrophic elements of the space shuttle that was sensitive to many factors of the launch, which included the extreme cold. If the O-ring was exposed to near freezing temperatures, it would cause the O-ring to lose elasticity. As a result, the O-ring had reached cold enough temperatures to where it could not properly expand, causing a leak to occur. The O-ring was known to be sensitive to the cold and could only work properly above 53 degrees. The temperature on the launch pad of the morning was 33 degrees. This led to further investigation over why the launch was approved. It was found that in the investigation that there was a lack of communication between the officials and employees. This ultimately led to incomplete and misleading information to be passed through NASA's chain of command. Among this misleading information, the issue of the O-ring's temperature malfunctions was absent from all flight documents.
The reason this malfunction took place was due to the lack of groupthink. The engineers were told to inspect the shuttle equipment once it was de-iced. The engineers, along with their vice president, recommended that it was not safe or in best interest to launch the shuttle unless the outside temperature was 53 Fahrenheit or higher. The vice president of engineering finalized the call and presented it to the higher-ups. Once this information was presented, the vice president of the operation ignored the recommendation and continued to have a meeting with everyone else, excluding the engineers, and came to agreement that they were still going to launch the shuttle. Even though they knew the O-rings could potentially become an issue, they were more worried about launching the shuttle that day rather than waiting to do it and continue the proper way. They knew the outside temperature was too cold, but proceeded to continue, which led to the disaster of the Challenger shuttle exploding.